After a harrowing experience with an Uber driver, I was so relieved to finally set my eyes on Trunk Club. I got on the elevator, pushed the 7th floor to get to the Trunk Club clubhouse, and away we went. When I arrived at the Trunk Club clubhouse, I was offered a variety of beverages, but I had my eyeballs set on Stella Artois. It was 10 o'clock in the morning, but after that Uber ride, I needed something a little bit stronger than water. Here's my outfit of the day. The top is from Universal Standard. The bottoms are from Spanx faux leather leggings. Let's go ahead and get into my Trunk Club experience. A few weeks before my appointment, a Trunk Club stylist actually reached out to me and asked did I have any specific wants or needs. After meeting her at Trunk Club and chit-chatting for a little bit, she went back and pulled this rack of clothes that she had already picked for me to try on. First, we'll start with this top, which is a wrap peplum top. And I gotta say, I would have never pulled for this if I saw this in the store, but on this looked fantastic. The pictures do not do it justice. It is a velvet kind of floral material. It's very lightweight, very flouncy and flowy, breathable. I just thought it was a win. Now, I also have on these black jeans that you'll see several times throughout this particular video, but these jeans were very comfortable, very stretchy. They are by Wit and Wisdom, which is hit or miss for me, but these jeans were a real hit. It's just that I don't need another pair of black jeans, but they fit like a dream. I've had such a hard time this winter season finding sweaters that do not feel like wearing sandpaper. I gotta tell you, I wish they made this sweater in every style, color imaginable. The sweater was so soft, so comfortable. It was a bit oversized, but not like sloppy oversized. You know, who would have thought that a simple black and white V-neck sweater would be such a hit? Unfortunately, I had to leave it behind because I had to make decisions on the things that I wanted the most, but this sweater is tops and I'm probably going to regret leaving it there. And then the same black jeans I had on in the last try-on. Another amazingly soft sweater. This is by Vince Camuto. This sweater felt like butter against my skin. It was so comfortable. It's a little oversized again. Now, if you look closely, you'll see that there are snaps around the collar. They are functional, so you can snap them together to be closer around your neck, or you can unsnap them to kind of hang off your shoulder. You know me, I love to show shoulder, so that's what I did. I am not a fan of the cream because I would spill all the things on the cream, so instead for a pop of color, I ordered this in red. Now we have the Spanx faux leather leggings. I have never been a fan of Spanx just about anything, but baby, when I tell you their faux leather leggings are the jam, even for me who's kind of gut heavy, these faux leather leggings and the ones that I own are so comfortable. Now, I'm kind of averse to this particular pair because to me, it looks like I don't have pants on. So I did pass on this particular pair. So you can kind of tell by the look on my face that I wasn't the biggest fan with this particular outfit, mostly the top. I don't like stuff that I am not able to pull up from my wrists because I just don't like things around my wrist, and this was straight polyester, no stretch or anything. So even though I like the print, I wasn't the biggest fan of the top itself, but you know, it was worth trying on. Now these jeans are actually really nice. They were very comfortable. They had a great fit, a great stretch. Honestly, I would have purchased these jeans, but again, I already have enough blue jeans. So even though they're a great pair, very well made, great quality, I can't justify the price for something that I already own. Yeah. I'm still on the hunt for a blazer. This is by Gibson. It has a little bit of stretch. It is a very basic black blazer that I think you could dress up or down. So while it isn't quite the special blazer I was looking for, I think it fits the bill to be a basic piece in my wardrobe. So please forgive the smudges on the mirror. However, in this outfit, we have a one-state waffle knit, really lightweight sweater. Now, I did forget to turn around myself to show you the back, but I did go on the Nordstrom website and show you what the back looks like. It's a crisscross. It's a nice fall and winter top. It's nothing special. So yeah, it was cool, but nothing I felt like that I couldn't live without. Now, next we have these Wit and Wisdom jeans. Now, I love camo print, and I've been on the hunt for a new pair of camo jeans, so I was really excited about these. But if you notice in the picture, the knees are really baggy. So I thought maybe I was tripping. I bought them, brought them home, and then when I got on the website, I noticed that most of the complaints on the Nordstrom website about these jeans were about baggy knees. So unfortunately, I did return them, and I'm still on the hunt for camo jeans. I know that I said that I couldn't do cream, but there was something about this sweater that just drew me in. I like the colors, the cream, the kind of gold and the silver. I like that it's oversized. I like that it's V-neck. It was super, super, super duper soft. I was in love with this sweater, and when I was looking at myself in the mirror, I just kept smiling because I thought it looked so good on me. So I got it. And then you see the same Wit and Wisdom jeans that you've seen a few times earlier in the video. After all that trying on clothes, I was hungry, so I headed over to Pizzeria Uno for some classic Chicago deep dish pizza, and I gotta say, 'twas not impressed. I won't hold it against Chicago. I'll just try somewhere different next time. So it really was time for me to head back to the hotel, grab my items, and head to the airport, but I wanted to take in the last few minutes of Chicago that I could. So I opted to walk about 1.5 miles back to my hotel, and then I ran across this place. That's Zara. We don't have one of those stores in my town, and I've always wanted to try it. So I stopped in, grabbed a few items, and headed to the dressing room. And I look a hot mess. So since I don't need that kind of negativity in my life, I put the items back and I continued on my trek back to the hotel. So I am headed back home after a wonderful weekend shopping in Chicago. So I've been told that I came on a really nice weekend because the high was 41 degrees. That's nice in Chicago in December. Had a wonderful experience, from the shopping to spending time with friends to the beautiful decorations for Christmas. This has been a wonderful trip. I hope that you have enjoyed coming along with me and seeing some of the experiences, but I will see you on the other side. As usual, if you have any comments, suggestions, or you just want to say hello, you know to do it below. But otherwise, I will see you next time. Bye. Passing through my last turnstile on my last train ride. It's been so much fun. See you next time, Chicago.